Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by prepping skin and tools so active steps work. First, remove makeup and rinse with lukewarm water. You want a clean canvas so serums penetrate. Once done, use the oil-based cleanser from the kit in circular motions for 45-60 seconds, then rinse. Make sure to pat dry gently, do not rub. Open the kit, set each item in the order you'll use it to avoid confusion, and measure about 0.5 ml of product so you don't overapply. Once skin is dry, apply the kit toner to balance pH and improve absorption. You'll feel it sink in after 30-60 seconds. Next, dose the targeted serums. Start with antioxidant serum to neutralize free radicals, then a peptide or retinol alternative to stimulate repair. Layering from lightest to heaviest ensures proper penetration. Make sure to press each layer into the skin for 5-10 seconds instead of rubbing, which can irritate. If using active retinoid, you finish by sealing treatments with the kit moisturizer to lock in hydration. Apply about 1/4 teaspoon and spread evenly. Once absorbed, follow with the provided SPF during daytime. Use another 1/4 teaspoon for face coverage. Apply eye cream last, gently dabbing with your ring finger to avoid tugging. If you experience redness or stinging, stop active serums immediately, switch to the barrier balm included, and reassess in 48 hours. If symptoms persist, consult a clinician. Always patch test new.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.